how to undo or revoke sharing from private share on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on connected devices. Now tap on quick share. Then we scroll down to the private sharing section. In here, tap on private sharing history. Then open up a contact. In here, touch and hold onto one of the files. Then select the files that you want to revoke sharing. You can choose to revoke all files by tapping on the all button at the top. Otherwise, just select the files that you want to revoke. Then tap on revoke sharing. From the pop-up, tap on revoke. And that's it. So now you have undo sharing of those selected files. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.